how to install Sketchup for free. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can install Sketchup for free. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser. After that, head over to search bar, then there you have to type in Sketchup. After that, you have to head over to the first thing on your interface, that is www.sketchup.com. After you see this kind of interface, navigate to top section, click on resources. From here, go to support. After that, from here again, go to SketchUp help. Now under getting started, there is an option as downloading, installing, authorizing SketchUp. Click on it. That's gonna take you to a different piece. Here, scroll down a bit and here you have to click on this link that says downloading SketchUp. So click on it. Now from here, you have to select the one according to the device that you're currently using. If you want to download it for Windows, go to the second option. If you want it for Mac OS, you could go to the first option. So here, I will just go with the second option. Now, once you do that, the download process will begin as you can see here. Once this file is complete, you have to open it up, follow the on-screen prompt, and install it in your device. After that, you could simply sign in into your account and start using SketchUp. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.